45 minutes to an hour. And when you then do get up there, there's still the same simple life as before. So there's still no electricity and no running water. They do, however, though, have 3 hot tubs placed on different locations towards the cliff, where they get their water for the waterfalls and have wooden stoves heating up the water. So you can enjoy a nice warm bath with a view over the fjord. And it's quite a popular place to stay. So before the pandemic, the waiting list was over 3 years. But because of the pandemic, it has gotten a lot shorter. So they have yet to open their bookings for next year. Because it's only open during the summer, but they only have 8 rooms and 16 beds. And the minimum stay is 2 nights. So they usually sell out quite quickly.